Hi, you might be wondering who I am. My name is Andrew, but that's not important. The important thing is why I'm here. I'd like to introduce you today to a potential business partner, Cloudinch. You guys are businessmen, so in day-to-day life you have to deal with all kind of customer trends, market trends, competitor trends. Well, you know them better. And then there are your business needs, like website, marketing, accounting, product development. There are so many of them. You know, using the internet is a standard way of dealing with all of the above. Be you a small or a large business, you anyway have to invest a lot of money into hardware, software, expertise, maintenance, etc., etc., etc. Come on, there should be an easier way of doing all of the above. It's something that would send me time and money. But if it can help me to make the right choices for my business, that would be even greater. So the good news, there is such a service, and it's called Cloudinch. So what is Cloudinch? You see, do you worry to spend too much money on hardware and software that you don't really use? Well, maybe a few times a year. Or instead, you can actually pay for minutes for what you're using with uCloud. For example, let me explain what uCloud is. You want to use Adobe Photoshop, but you don't really want to buy it. You go to uCloud, you choose your hardware, just a few clicks, and your hardware is ready. Then you choose your software. A few more clicks and your software is ready. Start using it right away. The great thing about it, it's going to cost you just 0.3 cents per minute for using Photoshop. Just imagine, you use it 2 hours every week. At the end of the month, you'll end up paying just less than $1. And then there are so many other advantages. Like you don't have to spend money on new hardware. Cloudinch deals with that. You don't have to spend on new software versions. Cloudinch does that for you. And you can use uCloud anywhere you are, because it uses VNC and RDP. And for those of you who are not techie, this means you can use it from any computer which is connected online, anytime, anywhere. So let's imagine you have been working away with uCloud and you have so much data which you have to store somewhere. You can get some hard disks and carry them around with you, or you can use uStorage. So what's uStorage? It stores and manages all your personal and business data in a very secure way. And you can even choose where on earth this data is located. So how much space do you need? You get 20 gigabytes for free, and you can expand to any size you need for just 1.4 cents for each extra gigabyte. How great is that? Your data is secure and it's in the cloud, meaning that you can access it from anywhere. Well, now you have uCloud and you have uStorage. Is that enough? You see, nowadays, any serious business must have a website. And creating the website is not a big deal these days. Getting people to visit your website, that's a much bigger challenge. And here is where your work comes in. So what is your work? It deals with promoting and improving your website. It uses experts to permanently or periodically analyze your website, advising you on the best actions you need to take. All you need to do is approve, say yes or no, and your work does the rest of the work. Well, not you work. I mean, you work as a Cloudinch service. Who does the work? Anyway, you got me. Now let's imagine you have your virtual office running with uCloud and uStorage. Then you have your website running with a lot of visitors with uWork. How about all your other business questions? That's where uServices comes in. uServices brings you answers and solutions to any of your business questions. It's a completely different level of support and consulting. So who's behind it? There is a bunch of experts who can answer any of your business questions. It's not just about IT. Feel free to ask about accounting, finances, marketing, even psychology, you name it. Cloudinch answers it for you. And it's free. Well, you heard me right. It's a free service. You see, uServices commit to get you an answer in less than 24 hours. You should definitely try it. So now imagine, you don't have to spend money on expensive hardware and software. Use uCloud. You don't need to get your data, or you don't stack your data somewhere in the office. Use uStorage. Stop wasting money on all kind of website promotion through all kind of SEOs and APIs. Just use uWork. And get rid of all those high-paid business consultants. Use uServices. You see, Cloudinch brings you customized services at prices that you can afford, because you pay only for what you need and not a dollar more. Just try it. There are no upfront payments, no commitment to your credit card details. You'll be surprised how Cloudinch can do all the hard work for you, and you are left with just making the decisions. Well, Cloudinch, meet your new business partner. Just try it today and take your business to the next level. Thank you. Thank you.